Happy Valentine's Day. So, ano ng mga heart? Heart? Ayun. Happy Valentine's Day! Mommy! Happy Valentine's Day!
Don't forget to go to home. Thank you.
Ma! This is Happy Valentine's to you! Wag ba I have a surprise for you!
Yay!
Wow! This is my surprise and this is your? What's this?
Flower.
Okay, thank you, Tita Mom.
Thank you.
Thank you, Tita Mom. This is surprise eh.
Thank you.
Surprise eh. It's a surprise. It's a surprise. Show your bucket face to them. Tita Mom.
Wow. Dami sinabi.
Sabi niya, open? Open surprise! Bawal mo kainin yung chocolate. Bigay mo na lang kay Dami. Wow! Jump! Jump! This is a rose. Oh, happy Valentine's! Happy Valentine's! Wala lang, gusto ko lang mas ma-feel nila na special. Tapos meron din kasi ako nakita sa TikTok kanina na yung jowa niya nasa kulungan. Sis, nasa kulungan na yun. Pero nagawa pang gumawa ng handmade gift para sa jowa niya. So, if he wanted to, he would. Kung gusto niya may paraan, hindi ang daming dahilan na gastos lang yan na araw-araw na makatamahal. Okay. 'Di ba? Yan lang yun eh.